Hi, I'm Tom, and in this quick tip for FreeCAD, I will show you a quirky behavior that you might encounter when you are using building US unit systems. That means feet and inches. So by default, if I start any tool and I want to type, let's say, length, I can just simply type in 10 feet, 5 inches and hit enter. And this line is, as you can see, 10 feet 5 inches. So that is all right. But if I start to type in negative values, so let's say, for instance, I want to place the first point at a negative value, so in the third quadrant. So I will type in here minus 10 feet 5 inches. Now if I hit enter, it's translated to a different position. It's 9 feet 7 inches. This is because if I type in minus 10 feet 5 inches, FreeCAD translates it to minus 10 feet plus 5 inches. And that means minus 10 feet plus 5 inches is minus 9 feet 7 inches. So this is kind of unintuitive, but as of FreeCAD 1.0, this is how it works. So if you actually want to place a point with the local x at minus 10 feet 5 inches, you have to type in minus 10 feet minus 5 inches. And now if I hit enter, you can see that the correct value stays there. So hopefully this will be fixed in future releases of FreeCAD, but as of FreeCAD 1.0, the situation is like so. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.